Ready to unlock a new world of gaming on Xbox without spending extra cash? Let's turn that Amazon gift card into Xbox currency. First, head over to Amazon.com and in the search bar, type in Xbox gift card. Be specific to ensure you are getting an official digital code. Scroll through the results and select the Xbox gift card that suits your needs, taking note of the denomination so that it matches your purchase amount or the funds in your Amazon gift card balance. Click Add to Cart, then proceed directly to your shopping cart to initiate the checkout process. On the checkout page, you'll see the payment methods. Make sure your Amazon gift card balance is selected. If your gift card balance doesn't cover the full amount, you can use another payment method for the remaining balance. Review your order thoroughly one last time to confirm that the Xbox gift card is properly linked to your account. Then, click Place your order. Once your order is processed, you'll receive a digital code, usually sent to your email and available in your Amazon account. Redeem the code on your Xbox account and start enjoying new games, subscriptions, and more. Happy gaming!